Whose motorcycle is this?
It's a chopper, baby.
Whose chopper is this?
Zed's.
Who's Zed?
Zed's dead, baby. Zed's dead.
Alright, here we go. It's open morning here in Texas for archery. Buck came out about, took a shot about 9. Took a shot about 721, 722. 35 yards, Spitfire. Dropped it right on the spot as y'all seen. Heading back to camp. And we're going to pick it up and get it cleaned up. There you go. We're using a center point with Spitfire broadheads. The Spitfires will do it. That's what we got, just in case I don't film anything else. I got this.